So first of all, the Chief Minister Vijay should come out from the election mode. People have voted them and they have selected them. And yesterday his talk was almost like as if he's still in the election mood and election mode. Let him come back to the government activities and he should take care. 20 days is not a shorter period. He can regain the administration. He cannot blame the previous government because the previous government is not all right only. People gave the verdict to Vijay, Honorable CM Vijay. So we should control everything with iron hand. Today I passed through Coimbatore where a girl was murdered brutally by making the accident at car. So it is not acceptable. So the and Singapore to 20 days has gone. He is telling this day, that day already there was an inauguration and that it was cancelled. So we cannot accept. Already in the administration, 5,400 officials or police officials are there to safeguard the women and children. Only for children welfare, there are 1,603 personnel. 244 women police stations are there. Then how we are going to revive all this, and what is the new group of cadres are going to do? Only on words you are telling, but indeed it is not shown, because again and again girl children are sexually harassed and are losing their life. So it is better they act as an administrator than like a preacher. That's all I can say.
There is a law in
This only we are telling. It should be curtailed with iron hand. They cannot propagate themselves. They cannot act as a election campaign. They are in the government, so they should take very very strong steps to curtail all these things, because it is their window period. People cannot be losing their lives. Girls, children cannot be sexually harassed. And even in the southern part yesterday, there is a caste collision also there. These all should be controlled with iron hand. That is my request.
their position petrol.
This is a war situation, and for the past 2 years, there was no increase. And because unavoidable situation, it has been increased. So we are not telling the excuse, because people feel the burden, and our honorable Prime Minister, because of the world situation, he is extending a helping, a friendly hand to each and everyone. For example, that Myanmar uh, president has met, and external affairs minister from the America has come. So with all these MOUs, we are having a lot of opportunities. But petrol diesel prices with the war scenario. So this is even when compare the petrol diesel price with the other countries, it is much lower. But I am not telling. I am not. It is telling an excuse, but people clearly understand the war situation, and people clearly accept.